take a look at this, and we'll be right back. All right, take a look at your screen right now, and you're gonna see why we have been so busy this morning with CurrentBody after just one mention. Because after 28 days, look at the difference after just using something that the professionals use, red light therapy, what it can do for your skin. Do you have lines? Do you have wrinkles? Are they deep? Are they set in? Well, look at after just 4 weeks of using red light therapy for 10 minutes a day, what you can achieve. This is not something that tingles, it's not something that hurts, it's something that everybody enjoys when they experience it, and today we're bringing it to you from a leading brand. In fact, it's FDA-cleared technology that you're getting right here. Now I'm gonna show you what happens when you get that CurrentBody home. Do you see these lights? Over 136 lights that are LED as well as infrared, so they actually penetrate the skin and they can give you the results that your skincare can't. That's why this won the InStyle Red Carpet Award for Best Skin Tool and the Glamour Beauty and Wellness Award for Best Skincare Device. Now, today we're bringing it to you at a better value. The device on its own should be $380. We're also throwing in the hydrogel masks. They're basically a freebie, but they should be $10 each for a $50 value. You're getting a $430 value home for just $380, or the 5 payments of $76 at our store, and you get free shipping, and you get 30 days to try it. Lucia Fox is here with me today. Lucia, welcome on in. Come on over here, please.
Thank you so much.
It's great to have you in the show.
It's great to be here. Thanks for having us.
Lucia has been working with this brand for several years now, and you're a beauty expert at QVC in the UK.
Yes, it's very happy to be here in the US.
I love your
well.
accent.
Thank you so much.
But more than anything, I have to be honest with you, I love that you're bringing us this device.
Well, we are so excited to bring it to you here at QVC US because this is the OG flexible LED mask made of this medical grade silicone. You can see it's so easy to move, it's so comfortable to wear, and it's one of the most amazing things in terms of what it can do for your skin in such a short space of time. As you were saying, Alberti, you know, if you're concerned about fine lines and wrinkles, if you're concerned about your skin's texture, even the tone as well, so like pigmentation, under eye circles.
You know, for me, it was this, right? People have always complimented me on my skin, and so I, of course, take a lot of pride in my skin. Then I started looking at it, and I was like, why does it feel like it's not stuck to my face anymore? Why does it feel like I have all these little micro lines and wrinkles like coming in? And that's what happens as we age. And you think to yourself, okay, well, I'm gonna use my skincare, I'm gonna use my retinols. And by the way, you can still use all of those things to help and support. But if you wanna see a dramatic difference, this is the technology that people pay hundreds of dollars for to get a treatment once at a doctor's office, once at a spa. Today, we're gonna give you the opportunity to get it home and use it in the comfort of your own home. And by the way, you know, people are paying so much money to do this elsewhere. You did consumer studies on what CurrentBody does for people when they have it at home.
Yeah, exactly. And that's our mission as a brand. You know, we want to be able to give you guys exactly what you get in a clinic or a salon, but create it in the comfort of your own home and without having to go anywhere. So all of our participants and I can literally say all of them because they all agreed that their dullness had been improved, their skin is brighter and more radiant, and their dry fine lines become less visible as well. You know, we're FDA cleared too, so you know, you've got nothing to worry about in that respect. And it's just going back to what you were saying, Alberti, about you know, when you noticed your skin wasn't quite feeling as firm. Honestly, after the first couple of weeks of using this, I felt like my skin was bouncy again.
I keep using the word juicy.
Juicy,
right?
bouncy,
There's a juiciness.
yeah, exactly.
Danielle Anzalone today, when I saw her from far away, I was like, Danielle, I was like, what are you doing with your skin? I've known her for 10 years. She said, I'm using red light therapy. I was like, that's so interesting. We have a red light therapy in the show. I said, it's called CurrentBody. She goes, that's the one that I've been using.
It was lovely to meet her, and her skin absolutely does look fantastic, doesn't
I've been using it for several months, and I will tell you that, by the way, it is also 10 minutes of quiet time, 10 minutes of meditation time. 10 minutes, by the way, you can still walk around and do stuff if you want, but I take the opportunity to relax and pamper myself for that 10 minutes.
I have mine in my kitchen, and I go downstairs in the morning to make a cup of tea, no makeup, toast my crumpet, and then pop my mask on. And by the time I've done all of that, the timer's gone off and I'm done.
Well, listen, we've got Orion here on the set. She's showing us it's comfortable. By the way, it's super, super comfortable. And I want you to know this. There's no heat generated from this. There's no tingling generated from this. Nothing at all. And it's going to improve the appearance of full face all the way from forehead, around the eyes, nasolabial folds, around the mouth, even at your jaw and chin area.
Yep, exactly. The texture of the skin as well, the tone, the pigmentation, you know, it really does. It is for the full face and for any of those concerns that you might have.
Now, I want to talk about the hydrogel masks really quickly.
Sure.
First of all, they're a hyaluronic acid serum mask.
Yes.
What that does, you can use it on its own, or you could use it at the exact same time with your CurrentBody. I'll tell you, you got an event to go to, a wedding, and a date, whatever it is, you're going on vacation, you want to look really, really good for the pictures. Use this with this at the exact same time.
Yes,
because
exactly.
something about it like makes it even juicier.
Yeah,
and more
it's
plump.
just, well, hyaluronic acid holds up to 1,000 times its own weight in water. So that's going to be a really nice plumping effect for your skin. And these are designed to be used specifically under the LED mask. But I will say you don't need them in order for the mask to do its job. They're a nice added thing that, you know, you can incorporate. And like you say, if you're going to an event, a wedding, a date, perfect for that. But if you're just at home in front of the TV, just use the mask on its own.
Fewer than 350 now to go around, right?
Okay.
And at an easy pay of $76 over the next 5 months, you get free shipping to try it out for yourself. One of our producers here in the studio, her name is Taylor. She was saying she used to get a treatment like this done for $80 per treatment. You know, what are the other alternatives that you have out there? Skincare, great. It does work, but only to a certain point,
well,
right?
That's the great thing about these masks, Alberti, is because they can actually penetrate to those lower layers of the skin. You know, this has been formulated with estheticians, with medical professionals, we're the beauty tech experts. We've worked with so many different brands, and we decided to make our own brand this time because we know, and we've got 15 years of experience of what creates a great mask. You know, we hand pick these LEDs. Every single part of this is engineered to the absolute optimum.
So here's the thing, we're busy. A 663-654. This is how you use it.
Yes, really, really simple and easy to use. So basically you want to make sure you've got nice clean skin, no SPF, no moisturizer. You can use a serum if you like, as long as it's see-through. Again, these are the hydrogel masks. You get 5 of these in the set. They come in 2 halves and you just do the upper and lower face. Then you just pop the mask on over the top, secure it behind with the Velcro strap, and then just switch it on. It's one button. That's my kind of technology. And then you just sit back, chill, or do whatever you want for the next 10 minutes. You know, it's hands-free. You can pop the charger in your pocket. You can put it in your waistband of your jeans or whatever. Get on with what you're doing for the day. It then lasts for 10 minutes. It times itself, beeps, and you take it off.
Fewer than 300 now remaining.
Okay.
This will not last. A 663-654 is your item number. 100% of you are going to see an improvement in the dullness of your skin, in the brightness of your skin. It's now going to look more radiant.
And those 11 lines there, Alberti, you can see they're so much softer.
The fine lines and the wrinkles. In fact, let's put the before and afters on the screen right now. This is the screen we're looking at over here.
Thank you.
There's your before on the top.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is 4 weeks. This is, by the way, there's no skincare used here.
No,
right?
this is well,
the device.
They use their own skincare that they've been using anyway, but obviously they were using that before. This is the 30 days from day 1 to day 30 of using this every day just for 10 minutes a day.
So let me tell you, Lucia, I used to be on a channel that we had here at QVC called Beauty IQ. All we did was beauty. My line producer, Mike, was my line producer there.
Right.
He just said, I love this before and after.
I know,
let me tell you
it's
something.
so great.
I do too. You know why? Because that's what you're gonna see in the mirror. Look at underneath the eyes. Look at in the corners of the eyes. Look at how much brighter she is. That's not makeup. That's not skincare. That's nothing cosmetic. That's literally 10 minutes a night of a light.
Exactly, and it's doing that first 30 days. I really want you to do it because you're going to become addicted to this. Like I have. I feel like if I forget it or I go somewhere for a week and I don't have it, I really notice the difference in my skin. It's really, really simple and easy to use, but please, please, please do your own before and afters. Do day 1, do day 7, day 14, and you can start to notice the difference in your own skin. It really is quite dramatic.
By the way, when you charge it, it lasts for 21 uses, right?
Correct.
So 3 weeks,
3 weeks worth of use if you're using it 10 minutes a day.
Take a look over here,
this
right?
Is Sue.
This
I
one
love
is crazy,
this
right?
one.
Look at the lines going from the mouth down towards the chin. Look at how diminished they are. Look at all of even the furrows around the lips.
I know, it's so much softer. You know when you get those filters on Instagram and you look like you've or on social media, when you look like you've filtered everything and made it softer, that's what it's done after just 30 days, you know?
So here's what I want you to know. Today we have it for you. Now fewer than 150 to go around. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is not gonna last. $76 gets it home, free shipping. It has a built-in timer. You're seeing Orion is using it without the goggles. They give you the goggles included, but you actually don't need to use them. You were telling me that a lot of people say that they think it's really soothing without the goggles even.
Well, this type of light is actually kind of quite similar to what we as humans all like, you know, a sunset, a sunrise. It's really relaxing. And the fact that this technology is working with those natural processes in the body, it's like what you'd get, you know, from sunlight, but in a safe and non-damaging way.
And there is absolutely no additional cost of ownership, unless you want to go and buy more of the hydrogel masks, or some sort of serum that's like a hyaluronic acid serum, and you want to kind of incorporate that. You could do that. By the way, if the inside of this gets wet, you just wipe it clean.
Exactly. It's medical grade silicone, so it's really, really easy to clean. I recommend just using a water-based makeup wipe or a damp cloth. And again, you can share this with your partner, you can share this with your daughter, your son. You know, this is for men and women. It's for anybody to use. It's so simple and easy to use and easy to clean as well.
All right, so remember, high-tech device, FDA cleared. This company, that's all they do. That is their specialty for the last almost 15 years, is high-tech devices, FDA cleared, bringing you red light therapies and technologies like this. Oh my gosh, we're sold out. Congratulations. All right, listen, you got to come back. You got to bring more.
That's amazing.
I don't know where they're made, but go get them from the UK and bring them back to us.
I better run and catch a flight back. I'll be back in a day.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Happy Memorial